Fix your eyesight at home. How to sharpen your vision naturally at home. So it starts subtly. You're at a restaurant, the lights are dim, and you find yourself pushing the menu just a little further away. Or maybe you're driving at night, and those streetlights are now starbursting into messy streaks of glare. If you're over 40, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Treat this like a betrayal, like our body's just giving up. But what if I told you that your eyes aren't broken? They're just exhausted and starving. Today, we will walk through ways to sharpen focus. To understand why your vision is blurring, you have to stop thinking of your eye as a camera. Your eye is like a high-performance biological engine. It produces massive amounts of heat and waste from the moment you wake up. Every time light hits your retina, a chemical explosion happens. In your 20s, your body has a cleanup crew that sweeps this away instantly. But as we age, that cleanup crew gets slower, and the debris starts to pile up like trash on a city sidewalk. The first step isn't an exercise. It's an internal cleanup operation. This brings us to the fuel source. Deep inside your eye, right at the back, is the macula. It has a yellow pigment that acts like blue light blocking glasses. Your body cannot make this pigment. You have to eat it. You find these in dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These nutrients are fat soluble. If you don't eat them with fat, your eyes get nothing. You need that olive oil or avocado? The retina has the highest concentration of DHA. If you aren't eating fatty fish like salmon twice a week, your engine runs without oil. Now we have to talk about the blink crisis. Studies have shown that when we stare at a digital screen, our blink rate crashes. When you don't blink fully, that oil layer doesn't get released. You are left with dry, scratchy spots on your vision. You want to match the brightness of your screen to the room. Turn off the overheads and get a desk lamp with a warm bulb. There is a muscle inside your eye called the ciliary muscle. Think of this muscle like a rubber band. The most effective movement for this is the near-far shift. Sit comfortably and hold your thumb about 10 inches from your face. Then immediately shoot your gaze to something across the room at least 20 feet away, a clock or a tree outside. Strength is nothing without relaxation. To sever the stress loop, we use a technique called palming. This is the ultimate reset button. Cup your hands over your closed eyes. The heat from your hands will penetrate the tissue, while total darkness signals the nerve to stop. Try to make the field as black as possible. Doing this for 2 minutes can reboot your tear film more effectively than sleep. Lastly, the peripheral reset. Pick a spot on the wall without moving your eyes. Start noticing what is happening at the very edges. By expanding your peripheral awareness, you are telling your brain, I am safe. This forces the ciliary muscle to let go. Add spinach and healthy fats to your dinner tonight. Tomorrow, fix your lighting. Your body wants to heal. It wants to see clearly.